In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a complete company profile in PowerPoint within 10 to 15 minutes. I have created the slide master layouts. You can just simply copy and paste the information or just type the information and your slides are ready. So let me just show you the presentation first. This is the main title page where I have put the company profile, big bold text, and at the background you can add the image of your company and should be a transparent background or a PNG file. You can add some detailed text. You can add at the top the company logo, the company name, and here you can add your company website. So when I click, it will take me to welcome to our company. You can give some details. Then about the company, you can see here I've added the image on the left and on the right side the text. Then comes vision and mission, about the team, the services, projects, goals, and then you can talk about your clients, and the last is the closing slide. So I have used the word let's work together, and you can add details about your company. So let's see how quickly we can make the similar presentation in PowerPoint in less than 15 minutes, and you can make it really fast. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel, and the only channel on YouTube for PowerPoint where you can get 1000 plus free templates absolutely free. And I have provided the link on the video description section of each video, and you can support my channel through PayPal or Patreon. So let's start the tutorial. To make this presentation, I have used this background and I have placed this in the slide master. So let me just go to the slide master first. So go to the view, click on the slide master. As you can see here, all the slides, you can see this particular gradient background. So depending on the requirement, you can just change the background. So I've just used this background, and then I have added one small logo here. You can just replace the logo and the company name. Any name of your company, you can just type, for example, ABC Limited, and you can just give the name as the website so that it will be available in all the slides. So once this is done, if I just close the master view, you can see here it has replaced ABC Limited and abc.com. So once this is done, the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to take a transparent background image of the building or a company. So let's put it here in the bottom, and before that let's add some text which is called the company profile. So go to the insert text box. Here I'm going to type company in the bold letters, in the capital letters, center align, font I'm going to use white and font color white, and the font name is Arial black. You can increase the size, you can see here depending on the requirement. If you feel that this is too much bold, so I can just remove and put only Arial, and I can make it something like this as well, make it bold. It looks perfectly aligned, I believe. Alright, so once this is done, I'm going to take this picture and put on top of this one, but the name is currently on top, so I'll select the picture and bring this to front. Bring to front. You can see here. Now increase the size of the building, hold the shift key. You can see here. I think this is okay. And then I'm going to type profile. So type here profile. Again, center align, white font. I'm going to use maybe Arial black this time. Increase the size and make sure that it should not be bigger than the company. So maybe this is okay. Company profile. You can see here. Sometimes what happens here is once I put the image, you can see here this abc.com is not visible. So in this particular situation, what we need to do is we have to just go back to the slide master and copy this one only. So let me just go to the top first, yes, and select this one, Control C, close master view and paste it. So it is, we have just used it outside of the slide master. All right, but once you add a new slide, it will be there by default, but any image which you're going to add on top of that one, it will hide this one. So once this is done, again, if you want to add some more details, some information about the presentation, about the company, you can just add it. Go to the insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw a rectangle. You can see here, again, shape outline, make it no outline, then right mouse click, go to the format shape and select the gradient fill. So here I have used three color combination, blue, light blue and the white color, and the direction, I can just change the direction to something like this. All right, and then here you can add some information. So go to insert text box, I'll just say equals lorem within bracket 1. I got this information, white, right align, and put it here. You can see here this information, and who is going to present it, that information also you can write it. So insert text box, I'm going to say presented by name of the presenter or presenter name. Again, white font, you can make it bold, increase the size and right align, done. All right, again, if you want to add few some kind of designs also, you can just go to insert shapes, you can go to the stars and banners. I can choose this one, the 4-point star, hold the shift key, shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, I can make it white. I can just put it randomly here, and I can just add few rectangles here. You can see here this one, no outline and white fill. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm just going to add one more, so 3, and I can just group this and I can just put somewhere here. Okay, if you don't want, you can just remove this one as well. So if you want to add few more details, like one line, which I have done like this, you can see here I did something like this, one line is coming and it is going here. You can do also similarly. So first of all, let me just reduce the detailed text here and move it towards right, and then go to the insert shapes. From the lines, I'm going to choose the freeform shape. Start from here, just hold the shift key, so it has to be a straight line. Click, again hold the shift key, straight line, then here hold the shift key again, straight line, click, click and double click. And shape outline, I'm going to make this as white, and go to the begin arrow type. I'm going to choose this one, which is the diamond arrow, and the size is the biggest one. And for the end arrow type also, I'm going to choose the same option. All right, so it looks something like this. So if I present, your company profile look like this. So once this is done, now it's time to add the other information. For example, welcome to our company, about the company, and then our mission and vision and all those things. So for this, I have created the layouts already. So if you see here, if I just go to the view, slide master, you can see here I have added this particular format where you can enter the title, the detail and the photo on the right side. I've added one more where the photo is on the left side and the title and the detail text on the right side. Then I added one more for the vision and mission, and one more for the team members. So you can use these multiple layouts to create the presentation very quickly. So let me just show you how to create the vision and mission slide, for example, which is this one. So let me just close this one. I'm going to new slide. You can see here, but the moment I use the new slide, it is coming blank. So for that I need to use the layout, right mouse click, select the layout, and you can see here it is here. I can give the title also the same. So but let me just select this one, and this is my vision. Okay, and this is the mission. All right, you can add some details. I'm just, for the time being, I'm just going to use this one, equals LORM within brackets, or you can just simply copy paste also. Now insert pictures is very easy for me. I can just simply click here. If you have the images from your device, you can select this one, or if you want to use some search on the web, I can just go to the search on the web, and I'm going to type, for example, a vision here. So let me just say vision, and just choose, for example, for me is, say this is better. Click insert, and image got inserted. The same way you can just go to the insert, search on the web, and I'm going to type, for example, mission. Let's say this one, click insert, and the mission slide is added. So you can see here how quickly it has added here, and if it is some unwanted text, you can just simply select and delete that one. So you can see here our mission and vision slide is done. Now let's talk about, I'm going to talk about company. Okay, this particular layout, you see here the image is on the left side and the text is on the right side. So again, I can just right mouse click, come here, or I can just say new slide, and by default I can just choose this one, this particular layout. So the moment I click, the layout is ready here. I'll just say about company, or I can just type in capitals about company, and then equals lorem. I've got some details here, as you can see, about company, company overview, key achievements, whatever information which you want, you can just type. And then I'm going to select the picture from the web. I'll just say company building. I've got so many buildings here, so let me just choose this one, click insert, and the information is there. Again, if you want, you can just make it left so that it is not overlapping with this star. So you can see here is very simple. You can just add the layout, add any layout. For example, you want to add a new layout for the employees, the team, just click here, it is there. You can just go and type about team. I can center align this one, again equals LORM within brackets. I got some information, employee name, I'll just say, and here I'm going to type CEO, and here I'll just say Mark, like that. You can, very simple, EVP, etc. And then just go to the insert. If you have the image from the local device, you can just add it the same way. So it's quickly you can add the complete company profile. Now if you feel that this information should be on the left side or not on the right side, I can go here, right mouse click, layout, and layout I can just choose, which is this one. You can see here immediately it switched back. So whichever way you, either way which you feel information is right according to your company needs or presentation, you can just update that one. So you can see here like this. Likewise, I've just added all the 10 slides using the slide master.